We are working on page 6 NSO 3.3, okay? 3.3. And these are problems 7 and 10. Make sure that you have this page 6 NSO 3.3. We'll be working on 2 of 2, page 2 of 2. Let's look at problem number 7. Here we have the expression 9 to the third power is equal to A, B, or C. So we need to write 9 to the third power is going to be 9 times 9 times 9, which is, in our calculator, let's see. Okay, so we need to have 9 times 9 times 9. That gives us 729. So now we know it's 729. This one is correct, and this one is correct. Next problem is problem number 8. We're looking at problem number 8. Here we go. It's 2/5 raised to the fourth power. So we have 2/5 inside a parentheses, all raised to the fourth power. Well, we know that we're going to have to do 2 to the fourth power and 5 to the fourth power. That's going to be 2 multiplied by itself, repeated multiplication. So repeated multiplication. That is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. Multiplied 4 times. Next, we need 5 multiplied 4 times by itself. So 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. Now, if you don't want to do this in the calculator, you want to solve this quickly, you should know that 2 times raised to the third power is 8 times 2, and 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 5 is 25. So now it looks easier to solve, right? All we have to do is multiply 8 times 2, which is 16. And when we put in our calculator 25 times 25, we should get 625. And our answer is going to be that, starting with the left side, then the bar. 16. Left side, then the bar, and then 625. Okay, now we're on the last page of this video, and it's going to be 6 NSO 3.4. 3.4, problems 5 and 6. Here we have problem number 5. The prime factorization of 45 is 5 times blank to the second power. So we need to see the factor tree for 45 is 45 divided by 5, because it ends in 5, so it's divisible by 5, is 5 times 9, and 9 is 3 times 3. Now we know that these are our prime numbers, 5, 3, and 3, because we cannot continue dividing. We cannot continue to divide no more. So we have to put 3 to the second power times 5. And if we look here, we have 5 times blank to the second power. So what number is raised to the second power? That would be the 3. So our answer is 3. Next problem is problem number 6. We need to know the prime factorization of 100. So 100, you should know it is 10 squared, or if we do our factor tree, we get 10 times 10, and 2 and 5 make 10. So we get 2 to the second power times 5 to the second power. And that would be B.